I had a stroke of genius and made a puppy pen out on our porch for the pups. And they're loving the fresh air. They've got a roof up overhead, and they've got an entrance to the living room and to their puppy room. So everything is good. And they've got their little Fisher-Price little tykes, whatever you call it, playhouse. And all sorts of shavings. It's pretty fun, eh guys? What do you think? Yeah! That'll make it easy to housebreak them. And they go through the tunnel and climb up on the stairs. Hi, bud. You love it? Do you just love it? It's fun to be outside? Is it really fun? Oh, yeah, you do. You can fall off the stair. Good fun. Good fun. Nice secure X pin so they're not going to fall off the porch. Don't worry. What do you think? What do you think, guys? You love this? Oh, of course. Now. Oh, that's me. Settle down. Settle down. But yeah. How's that for fun over there? She's like, can I eat this stuff? You can bury stuff in it. Who's that climbing up my shoulder? Oh. Pretty fun. Pretty fun. So they can come out in here no matter what the weather. Rain or snow or sleet or hail. They got a nice roof over their head. Puppies, puppies. Oh, see, yep, that's a step. This is going to be great for them. Come on, pups. Kalum. So this is their first day outside. And later today or tomorrow we'll try the snow itself. Hey, the snow itself. Yeah, one step at a time. One step at a time. We should actually get out in the snow before it rains. Okay, what do you think? It's supposed to be a yucky weekend. This is perfect for them because we can let them out in the morning, out of their room, onto the porch. And they can do their business and the shavings. Get them used to the shavings too. So there we go. Got a stroke of brilliance. There's a couple cute faces. Who's that right there? Oh, they're getting used to this too. And who's that down there? All right.